Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how you can get a free replacement phone from Assurance Wireless, step by step, simple and easy to follow. Step 1. Report your lost, stolen, or broken phone. As soon as your Assurance Wireless phone stops working, gets lost, or is stolen, call Assurance Wireless Customer Care at 1-888-321-5880 to report the issue and temporarily suspend your account so no one else can use your service. Step 2. Explain the situation clearly. When you're connected to a representative, explain whether your phone was damaged, lost, stolen, or malfunctioning. Be ready to give your phone number, name, and account information so they can look up your account. Step 3. Ask about a free replacement. Phones that fail due to manufacturing defects or malfunctions within the warranty period may qualify for a free replacement. Ask the representative if your situation qualifies for a free phone before agreeing to any charges. Step 4. Provide any required documentation. For lost or stolen phones, you might be asked for additional information like a police report or details about how the phone was lost to help waive fees. Step 5. Confirm shipping details. If the replacement is approved, verify your shipping address so the phone can be sent to you. Assurance Wireless will process the request and send you a new or equivalent model depending on availability. Step 6. Wait for delivery and activate. Your new replacement phone should arrive in the mail within a few business days. Once it arrives, follow the included instructions or call customer support to activate your new phone with your existing service. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.